Alright, I got some switches moving here at Pointe St Charles Yard. Awesome. So there's a GP9RM and there's a GP40-2W with the wide cab. And that one's got a really ratty looking paint scheme there. It's really chipped off. But it's the old CN zebra stripes with downtown Montreal in the background. Here at sunset. At about 3:45 p.m. on the 8th of January 2024. So waiting for these locomotives to go after the switches have been aligned. And they're going to pick up those cars, I suppose. The one with the big K on it, maybe. Or maybe some ones behind it.